So for the pre-enrollment details, step by step, through university.it, I have explained you how to enrollment form fill करना है. Pre-enrollment fill करने के लिए फिर से इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स पे जाएंगे, वहाँ पे pre-enroll now पे क्लिक करेंगे. उसके बाद आपको 3 steps में pre-enrollment form fill करना है. Step 1, step A, step B and step C. जो step A होगा आपका, उसमें आपको normal add. So hey guys, welcome to your channel Travel with Meg, and today we are going to speak about the pre-enrollment process, especially for the MBBS student, because I know many of the students are confused and it is actually a little bit a confusing process, right? So today I'm going to clear all the doubts regarding to MBBS, and I hope after this video you will know more in doubt. So let's start the video. So guys, as you all know, the pre-enrollment dates are open for Italy. It is for bachelor student, master's student, PhD students, all the students, and also for the MBBS students. The last date for pre-enrollment is 38th July for all the students irrespective of the course they are doing. So as you all know that in Italy there are 12 public universities which provide MBBS course in English. MBBS is medicine and surgery in Italy. Apart from public university, there are also the private universities, but the process are different from the public and private university. So for public university, first in quick I will explain you the process that you have to go, because I know you guys are confused with the process. So first you have to apply, you have to put the application for the university. Second, you have to do the pre-enrollment. Third, you have to apply for the IMAT exams, which is still not open, and then you have to sit for the IMAT exam in October, and then the results will come after 10-20 days. The scores will come, and after that you will go for the visa process. Okay, but here out of 12 public university, only 3 public universities open their applications for generating the pre-acceptance letter. Okay, out of which it is University of Torino, University of Pavia and University of Messina. University of Torino pre-application dates are already gone last month, but still we have dates for University of Messina and University of Pavia. So University of Pavia, the last date to do pre-registration, it is 23rd July, and for University of Messina it is 38th June. Okay, so you have time to now apply for those university. But if you are not planning to study in any of the 3 university and you want to study in another 9 university, so you can directly do pre-enrollment for those university. You don't need pre-acceptance letter from them. Okay. So let's first discuss how you will do the pre-enrollment, and then I will tell you how to choose that one university for pre-enrollment, because it is a little bit tricky. Okay, so for doing the pre-enrollment you have to go to the university.it. There you have to find the section where it is written international students. There you will go, you will create your account on university.it. You will get a verification email on your email ID that you will provide. After then you have to do the pre-enrollment in 3 different sections: section A, section B and section C. So section A is basically your details will be there, the basic details. Section B, it's important because you have to put your passport, your identity card. You have to put the choice of the university for where you are going to apply for the pre-enrollment. A very critical thing which I will tell you later on, how you will decide that one university. And after then you will mention the embassy where you want to apply for visa in your country. Okay, so you have to select, like if country has 2-3 different embassy, Italian embassy, so you have to put the one embassy where you will go for the further visa process. Okay, that is very important. After then step C you have to put additional documents, so you can put your 12th degree, 12th mark sheet. After that what will happen, the university.it will send this thing to your university where you have you want to apply for the pre-enrollment. Suppose you put there University of Torino. Okay, so this will go to University of Torino. University of Torino will verify you. Once they will verify you, it will go to your embassy which you have mentioned during filling the application form, and that embassy will be also informed that you have applied for pre-enrollment. Okay, so this is the basically purpose. So everything is connected. Okay, in case you want to change your university name, you can contact to university.it technical team and they can guide you. So now the question is how you will select which university you have to do pre-enrollment form. It's very easy. What you have to do is you have to take previous year IMAT exam papers, give the exams or give the IMAT mock test, see how much marks you're bringing. So suppose you got 35 number. Okay, out of 35 reduce 5 marks out of it, because when you're giving actual paper there are many factors which contribute to your scores and all, like pressure, retentions and everything. So make it 30. Now check the university's previous year's IMAT scores and check which university is closer to you. So if you're seeing University of Pavia, it is 30. Okay, so add 5 or 10 points to it. 40, and how much you have 30, so don't apply to Pavia. Like this, check other university and add 10 points to other university, okay, because every year the scores can be equal. So on the basis of that, you decide which university you want to do pre-enrollment. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching Travel with Meg, and now you can join the channel Travel with Meg and you can ask directly questions from me, because I get so many questions. I'm unable to, you know, answer each and every one. You know, I'm not obliged to answer each and every one on Instagram or through mails. But if you will be the member and you're not taking any consultancy services from anybody, then you can take a continuous guidance. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching Travel with Meg. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.